everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome to my channel Bramble Reed, and welcome back to all my returning subscribers. If you like all things paper mache, you have come to the right channel. We are looking at the paper mache earrings, but this week I wanted to try the Cabochon earrings. I think that's the way you say it. So if you want to see how I create these earrings, keep on watching. For the best creative DIY craft content, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts that you are able to join. Now it's your turn. Hi everyone, so this week we're going to be making the paper mache earrings, and this is going to be a Cabochon earring style gem, and I'm going to be using kind of this and creating this. So let's start, and we want to start with creating just the effect. Now you can draw something. I did draw something there, but I decided I wanted to kind of freeform it a little bit more. Look at that swirl. If you had a big one, that would be so beautiful. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried creating this stone, and you can either tag me on Instagram or upload it on Facebook so I can see what it looks like. So I want to show you guys a little tip on when you're making earrings that you want the color, where you want all those beautiful colors to come from an extruder. So when you first put your extruder in, the bigger disc will actually allow this color to last a little bit longer because it's coming through a bigger hole. But once you're using the smaller one, it gets very mucky, and after a while pushing it through, it will get mucky. And so this is what I've learned. So you have your color, your extruder. You want to first make sure with each time you run it through, you clean it out so that there's nothing at the sides. Then the second thing that you want to do is you want to use smaller portions. Don't use big portions, use small portions, and the small portions help you out where your color isn't going to be changing. Okay, and let's put a little pink. Okay. Okay, so small portions. About there. You don't need anything bigger. Then you're going to put this through. You're going to put your smaller disc, not too big. These ones were way too big for the look that I wanted for these earrings, so I'm just making smaller. Instead of pushing this thing and winding it down, pull it, push it all the way down so you see. It's going to be less time in the machine where it's twirling the colors around and mixing them together. And then your thing comes out, and look at that. There's your colors, right? Okay. Now for me to get my dome, I'm going to put a blob and I'm going to leave that, and let me just try and thing that over there, over on this side, and then I'm going to thing it quickly, sorry. Now that you know how to make the papier-mâché earrings, Cabochon earrings, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, I do have that Facebook page where you are able to upload your pictures and show me some of the stuff that you are doing. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of my papier-mâché tutorials next and my upcoming tutorial that will be posted next Tuesday. If you like this week's video, hit that like button, be sure to comment and subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Take care.